sit here and make excuses about budget and finances, but the fact of the matter is, all of you sitting here should stop acting as politicians and start acting as public servants. These people sitting here is your customers. The money that we pay every month goes towards each one of your salaries. Start treating us as customers and delivering the service that we're entitled to. Kwestala Street looks like a pigsty. You're going to start charging us our city cleansing level. How much? 120, 130 rand a month from each resident. Are you actually going to start cleaning the streets? Yes. Grass cutting, road markings. It's got nothing to do with the old town and old infrastructure. It's poor service delivery. Yes. When I employ someone in my business to clean my offices, I don't have to report to them, oh, the floor is dirty. Will you please come and wash it? It's a job description. Start delivering the services that we are paying for. Yes. And stop acting as politicians looking for votes for next year's municipal elections. Because that's all what
The streets are full with drugs. Visibility of police is poor. This is a suggestion that we bring in TMPD drug squad. Put a container here in Pretoria North. Make the streets more visible with police, with Metro Police. Everyone knows where the drug houses are. You can walk around the streets, they'll show you. So that's the main concern, is the drugs in this area. Kids leaving school doing drugs. If there's something that can be done about that.
To stay with those people, we are really working together. And I want to thank all the personnel from the electricity department. We found out how they are truly committed to fixing the cables. We're always moaning, but when they are on the job, they don't care about the one evening they fix a cable in the rain. We supply the gazebo and they keep on working. The problem is not there. The problem is from the sellers. We know that there's scrapyards in the area. Unless we stop the people from buying, how are we going to solve the problem? I have a client in Mauritius. They are so strict in Mauritius. If you have a scrap yard, you must take a photo of the people, the person that sells the scrap. He must declare who he bought it from, otherwise they're not allowed. And you can pass a bylaw controlling that. If they don't abide with that, you close down that scrap yard. Yes. It's as easy as that.
Junction, the Woodlawn thing there. Please, that thing standing there and